Imagine somebody wants to know you better and asks, Was ist deine Lieblingsfarbe? If you're confused as to what to answer in German, then this video is just for you. Guten Tag and welcome to StudySmart, the channel that will make you study strategically and score high. I'm your mentor Faiza, and in this video we will be diving into everything colorful in German. But before we make our journey, don't forget to like this video, drop a comment and subscribe to my channel so I can make more videos just like this one to help you improve your German. Let's start with some technicalities. So color in German is Farbe. Farbe. Think of saying far but with a very softened R and add it with a B. So it becomes Farbe. Farbe. More than one color and it becomes Farben. Farben. Farbe is a feminine noun, therefore it uses the article die with it. And therefore we say die Farbe. Die Farbe. Don't forget, all colors are adjectives. That means their endings will change according to the gender of the noun that they're describing and the case being used. Now let's start talking about colors. Shall we start with the king of colors, the Regenbogen or the rainbow? First we have rot. Rot. Remember, R at the start has a R sound, which is more like you're gargling or something. So say it with me. Rot. Rot. Next we have orange. Orange. The spelling might be the same, but the pronunciation is different. Then we have gelb. Gelb, which is yellow. Then groen. Groen, which is green. Up next is blau. Blau, which is blue. Then is indigofarben. Indigofarben, which is indigo in English. The last color is violet. Violet, which is purple or violet in English. Now let's do these together. Rot, orange, gelb, groen, blau, indigofarben, violet. Excellent. Now let's do a few sentences with them. Imagine you have to describe your friend's new phone and it is red. So you would say, Ihr neues Handy ist rot. Ihr neues Handy ist rot. Her new mobile phone is red. Suppose somebody has worn a really obnoxious orange hat and it's really big. And you want to say that in German, so you can say, Sein Hut ist groß und orange. Sein Hut ist groß und orange. His hat is big and orange. Suppose you want to throw a party and you want everyone to come in yellow, you could always say, Das Thema der Party ist gelb. Das Thema der Party ist gelb. The theme of the party is yellow. Maybe you're inquisitive about frogs and you ask, Sind alle Frösche grün? Sind alle Frösche grün? Are all frogs green? If you want to compliment or describe somebody's blue eyes, you could always say, Seine Augen sind blau wie der Himmel. Seine Augen sind blau wie der Himmel. His eyes are blue as the sky. Maybe you're looking for your water bottle and you want to describe it. You say, Meine Wasserflasche ist indigofarben. Meine Wasserflasche ist indigofarben. My water bottle is indigo in color. If you're out shopping and you're looking for a jacket in purple, you can always ask the salesperson, Haben Sie eine Jacke in Violett? Haben Sie eine Jacke in Violett? Do you have a jacket or coat in purple? Now those were the colors of the rainbow, but there's so many beautiful colors out there. Let's go through some of them. Another German word for purple is lila. Lila. So just think of lilac and remove the C and say lila. Lila. For instance, if purple looks good on somebody, you could always compliment by saying, Lila steht dir gut. Lila steht dir gut. Purple looks good on you. Now think of a pink rose and say rosa. Rosa, which means pink in English. If you want to say that somebody's lipstick is pink, you say Lippenstift ist rosa. Lippenstift ist rosa. Then there is brown. Brown. It sounds exactly the way in English, but the spelling is different. If you want to talk about some child's hair being brown, you can say das Haar des Mädchens ist braun. Das Haar des Mädchens ist braun. Then you have golden, which is pretty easy to remember. Golden. Usually medals or awards which are given are golden or silver. So you could always say, die Medaille ist golden. Die Medaille ist golden. The medal is golden. Next we have silbern. Silbern, which is silver. If you were to describe the fur of a wolf, which is silver, you could always say, das Fell des Wolfes ist silbern. Das Fell des Wolfes ist silbern. Another color that is much loved is magenta. Magenta, which is actually magenta in English. Das Sofa ist magenta. Das Sofa ist magenta. Now the colors that we've mentioned are pretty rich and very flashy. If you see some of these colors all splashed together, we say that thing is bunt. Bunt or colorful. If you go into a place which is not colorful at all and it gives a very drab look, then you can always say that this is not colorful or farblos. Farblos. But then there are some colors which are not that flashy and they make the environment pretty drab. And one of those colors which is very mundane and does not have a lot of flashiness is beige. Beige. And let's not forget schwarz. Schwarz. If you have any difficulty, just remember the famous Hollywood actor Arnold Schwarzenegger. And then we have weiß. Weiß, which is white. Mix schwarz and weiß together and you will have grau. Grau, which is grey. You know that colors have many tones and in German we call that Farbtöne. Farbtöne. If you wanted to say that indigo is a shade of blue, then you add Ton next to blau and the sentence would be Indigo ist ein Blauton. Indigo ist ein Blauton. And in those shades we have dark and light. So if you want to say something is dark blue, then you say dunkelblau. Dunkelblau. If you want to say light pink, then you would say hellrosa. Hellrosa. And this applies to any color that you want to talk about. Don't forget that all these colors are adjectives, but if they're converted into nouns, then their article would become das. So it would be das Blau, das Weiß. And that was our video on the wonderful world of colors in German. I'm going to leave you with two questions. One is, was ist Lieblingsfarbe? And was denkst du ist meine Lieblingsfarbe? What do you think is my favorite color? Reply in the comments and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, the only channel that believes that learning something new is not difficult, you just need to study smart. See you in my next video. Cheers!